If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you are tired of being controlled by a narcissist. You're tired of their games, you're tired of reacting to every insult and every silent treatment, and even manipulation they throw at you daily. You want to become unshakable. You want to become more stoic, so a narcissist cannot get under your skin ever again. And that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today, because there is an ancient philosophy that can set you free. For thousands of years, it has helped warriors, leaders, and everyday people master their own emotions. And now it's your turn. My name's Brandon. I help people heal from narcissistic abuse, reclaim their power, and live a life of confidence again. I have over 1 million people follow my daily insights across all social media platforms. Make sure to like this video right now because it tells YouTube you care about your healing and it helps more people find the support. Now let's begin. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." A narcissist wants control. They want to control how you feel. They want to control your perception of yourself. They want to control the story. But the moment you realize what Marcus meant, everything changes. You cannot control what a narcissist does, but you can control how you respond. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It's about mastering your emotions so no one else can use them against you. Epictetus taught, when something irritates you, it's not the thing itself, but your opinion of it. A narcissist's words only hurt when you believe them. Their tactics only work when you engage. Imagine you're watching a child throw a tantrum in a supermarket. You do not take it personally because you know what they are doing. Start seeing their manipulation for what it is, a performance, a desperate grab for control. Once you see this, once you see the illusion, you can't unsee it. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." A narcissist thrives on your emotional reaction, anger, sadness, confusion, and fear. Your reaction is their fuel. You take that fuel away, and suddenly they lose all their power. That's why becoming stoic is the ultimate revenge. You are no longer entertaining the circus, you are simply observing. The best response sometimes is silence, not silence used as punishment like they do, silence used as power. The Stoic believed in focusing only on what is within your control. So let me remind you what you control right now. You control what you accept. You control the access you give. You control your boundaries. You control how your story continues. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good person should be. Be one." You do not need to prove yourself to a narcissist. They will twist anything you say. So stop explaining, stop defending, stop begging for understanding from someone who has no intention of giving it. Take control of the one life you have. Narcissists try to pull you into pointless emotional battles. They want chaos, they want drama, they want you exhausted. Seneca taught that wise people focus only on what leads to a better life. So that means replace reaction with purpose, replace anger with direction, replace chaos with commitment to your future. Every moment spent fighting with a narcissist is a moment not spent healing and becoming stronger. Choose progress and choose peace. Here's the truth. Narcissists search for strong people. They're threatened by your empathy. They are threatened by the love you give. They are threatened by the light inside you. And Marcus Aurelius said, "The mind adapts and converts everything to its own advantage." Your pain can become your power. Your suffering can become your strength. Your healing becomes the very thing they never wanted you to achieve. Every day you step away from their control, it's a victory. Epictetus said, "The key is keeping company only with people who uplift you." You deserve peace. You deserve respect. You deserve relationships where love is not a battlefield. The Stoics teach us that self-respect is a responsibility. So if someone consistently disrespects you, the most stoic thing you can do is protect yourself and your future. Your healing begins the moment you decide that your emotions belong to you again. Your mind belongs to you again. Your story belongs to you again. If a narcissist cannot shake you, then they cannot break you. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. It really helps me. Subscribe and please comment below. I'm going to help you in the future reclaim your power and deal with narcissists head on. There's a whole community of us here. We understand you and support you. Until the next video, have a wonderful day and take care.